Hey everyone, I'm Stephen Kramer Glickman.
I'm Jillian Rose Reed.
I'm Izzy.
Let's watch some clips and judge some people's choices. Oh, wow. Look at this 90s intro. They don't make intros like this anymore.
Bring this back.
They're everywhere.
Love it.
Weeds, that is. They somehow managed to find their way into every nook and cranny in our landscape.
I cannot tell what's more impressive, this guy's garden or this guy's mustache.
Unless you take steps to get rid of them quickly, they'll take over in no time at all.
Oh, the worst.
This is an entire show about weeds. Weeds!
Technically speaking, a weed is merely a plant that's growing where it isn't wanted.
It's powerful. Powerful.
By that definition, then, my neighbor's southern magnolia here, a tree, is also a weed, because I don't like the way it drops all these thick, leathery leaves all over my lawn.
I'm watching clips about weeds. I was on the show Weeds. I feel like this was intentional.
You know, maybe you've got a neighbor or two you think of as a weed.
No wonder they gave this guy a show. He's got mustache and jokes.
When using a flamer, remember that the hottest part of the flame is actually about an inch beyond the visible portion of the flame.
Was this like the show in the 90s where like the network was like, we need to get more male audience. Let's throw some fire in the mix. Fire and mustaches.
Within the world of weeds, you'll find annuals, perennials, even a few biennials.
I don't know what any of that
When you
means.
get right down to it, who really cares?
Yeah.
I mean, I think for
Right.
most of us, it either is a weed or it isn't.
Words to live by.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
This guy is like everybody's dad, pulling weeds and heating hot dogs with like a flamethrower. It's such a vibe.
Paul's a 10 out of 10, no questions. Great shorts, great calves, great tips.
Let's watch another clip.
We're converting Detroit one block at a time.
We're in Detroit, oh my God. Oh, this is so fun. I've never seen this show. I'm from the suburbs of Detroit, so this is extremely exciting for me.
I would think that this house would be overpriced at $1,000, let alone $5,000. So I'm hoping that on the inside it has some redeeming qualities.
What's happening?
I want to see how horrific it is.
Yeah, this house is falling apart.
Oh man.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so this is a really cool concept to me. The fact that they're coming in and trying to like refurbish this area is really great. If we could keep the charm and the history, but make it livable for people, that would be awesome. What is with people ruining good tile? I would have just themed the bathroom in some sort of like blues and greens, and I would have kept that tile. Can you guys tell I really love tile?
Most of these older bathrooms is basically a concrete bunker. It's like holding up the whole house, this one little bathroom.
This is fascinating.
The backsplash is gonna mimic another one of my favorite interior designs in the city.
What? Oh my goodness. This room is a art museum.
These guys really know what they're doing. I'll tell you what, there's a lot of good people in Detroit. They deserve this type of design. Oh my God, that's the before?
That's what they did with that house?
Cute.
This is so impressive.
What? What? Is like glow-in-the-dark art? I love when people take risks.
Lots of champagne in the black light in this.
That's kind of cool though.
Isn't that fun?
Yes, that is.
That's kind of cool though.
Thank you. A lot of
So
energy.
fun. That big giant vase on that table. Love.
Of everything I've watched on HGTV so far, these guys are definitely my favorite designers.
Cool as hell.
There's so many cool artistic people in Detroit. I'm sure someone really awesome is living in this house right now. Let's see what's next.
We came across a fail today that we're hoping to help out with.
Oh look, it's the twins from Unsellable Houses.
My one and most epic project failure was my DIY painted tile floors.
She hand painted tiles on the floor?
You took on quite a project.
I spent probably 20 hours painting
Wow.
it. I step on the bath mat and I hear this.
Well, show us. Give me.
No!
It's looking a little rough.
Maybe we can help you fix the fail.
These ladies are amazing.
I will be playing the role of Cinderella and we'll be scrubbing these floors.
Oh, this is so exciting.
Our next step is going to be to tape.
They're
Done.
gonna
I'll do the
paint
grab lines
the
first.
individual
That makes
tiles.
sense. Now we are going to paint our top coat. I'm going with a black water-based paint.
I am not convinced that this is a good idea.
So this is where we start the stencils. As you notice, we're barefoot.
Does Tarantino watch the show?
When you're stenciling tile, you do not stencil the grout lines.
Ooh.
My mom used to say that to me all the time growing up. Right before I go off to school, she'd go, can't get down in them grout lines.
Oh, it looks great.
Wow, look how good that looks.
So hopefully this just gave Rachel a lot of confidence to
I have no interest
go
in
and
ever
fix her
doing this.
veil.
I'd rather help someone move.
On to the next clip.
This house was built in the 20s, and a 1920s house.
I used to love flip or flop.
I always love to see if they're gonna flop because sometimes they do.
Hopefully the inside looks as nice as the outside.
That door is to die for. And I know Christina's gonna rip it out, which sucks in a flip home. You don't get that like charm.
Look at this.
Oh, that's where I left my collection of magazines.
A lot of junk.
This is a lot of junk, but it's certainly not as bad as some of the other houses. I take that back.
I think this is the only bathroom up here, and it's interesting.
Old school.
That's bad.
Let's take a look at the backyard.
Oh my God, there's chickens in here.
Oh, this is the chicken episode.
Well,
This place is strange.
Yeah.
Like, what happened to the people living in this house?
We want to offer $560, and then that gives them room to counter.
I say throw in a couple extra chickens and sell it for 800,000, you know?
let's do it.
We're removing the
I've always
non-structural
wondered
walls to
how
create an
much
open floor plan.
of the work Tarek actually does. Like, does he just come in and swing a hammer while the camera's on and then go home?
It's not disgusting anymore.
Oh, he's wearing flip-flops right now.
Biggest difference.
Yeah, come on, he's not swinging hammers in his flip-flops.
It's all open now,
Wall's gone.
right?
Such a difference. I mean, just
All the junk's
night
gone.
and day.
We're coming in $50,000 over the comps. So we need to get
Wow.
stagers in to make sure that potential buyers fall in love with this house. Oh, wow. Looks so pretty.
So nice in here. The staging is just awesome.
Look, they did a beautiful job. I still somehow feel bad for the chickens.
After 40 days on the market, we still haven't sold the
Oh,
house.
no.
We're over $668,000 in the red.
That, my friends, is what we like to call a flop.
Let's watch another clip.
Wouldn't it be cool if we had some kind of slide down to this area?
So I was informed that this was Little John. Does what? Didn't realize it was the one and only Lil John.
Yeah! We love walking into somebody's house and turning it upside down.
Oh! So pimp my ride, but a room in your home. Got it.
So it's a classic estate, 3 levels. There's a large outdoor area with some zen pleasures I'll share with you.
I don't like where this is going.
When you're 24/7 designing, coding, doing visual effects, we need an escape.
I like these
We want
people.
our own zen retreat. You dig what I'm saying?
Here's to bringing Vegas to Atlanta.
Yes.
Is the Zen space bringing Vegas to Atlanta, or is that just you as a gym? You know what? We'll find out.
Oh my God!
Holy-
This is so amazing!
Whoa!
Portraits is crazy. I'm obsessed with it, though.
My favorite place in the whole space is behind that curtain.
No one wanted to steam the fabric?
Come on, let's go.
This is so
What the heck is
cool.
going on? This is a nightclub. Deja, look at this. There's a disco ball at the top.
Didn't they say Zen space? We missed a lot of context. Maybe they wanted a DJ small mini club.
But there's more!
There's more! Wow.
Look at this.
This is so awesome.
I get it. It's pretty cool.
Oh my gosh, this is the Soul Train line. Woo. Take them to the left, right.
Me too,
All right, go
bro.
around this corner here. Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This is a real bowling alley.
Kill the lights.
You feel it? Are you at the club with them? Just close your eyes. We're at the club now, everyone.
I love these guys, and I want to go to their house for a party. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10.
Well, that concludes our journey. Thank you for letting me into your home, tablet, phone, wherever you are.
We saw so many fun clips. We saw some disturbing stuff. We saw some awesome stuff, but we had a good time.
Thank you again for having me here, and thanks for letting me take home all these cactuses. You got to cacti it up. Ow, son of a...
It either is a weed or it isn't.